Bisa ada guide aja biar kami cepat. Kalau mereka sendiri mungkin kami.
I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared.
All right. I'll roll it up. See? Go. Oh, it's okay. Oh. Wait, it's all big. They're all big. See? Here, like this. There. Wow. Good job. Oh, look at the view. Oh my gosh, ano to? You're gonna ask what? Can you call the guy? Can someone call the guy? Because the chain came off. Your chain? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, I caught that on camera too. Ah. Oh, what happened? What the heck? I wiped out. Oh my god. Help me push this up. Let's go. Nothing happened. Let's go. Nothing happened, Carlo.
What are you doing? In the car, you're squishing me.
We're on our way to trekking.
Careful, careful. Go up, go up.
We're almost at the river. So there was literally nothing special. It was just walking.
Should have brought Ida. Should have brought Ida. Would have taken selfies here.
Oh,
Oh, nice here.
It's very slippery.
Lucas.
Franco, you okay?
I got it.
Oh, is he okay? Oh no. Tattoo ya?
That's part of it, Lucas. Yeah,
Look, let's take a picture, okay?
those who fall are the real men. Picture.
A picture. Kaliwa ka ng konti. Sige, yan. Okay. A little bit. Scooch. Yan. Isa pa. One. Move like this. Yun. Okay. Tapos ganun ka. Hindi, wala. Si Dad.
Dad, you want? Big water?
Wow.
Wanna go there? Go there.
Pwede, tara. Let's go.
Strong?
Oh, yeah. Go, Dad. You go first. Oh, watch out. Sheesh. Whew. Iwanan na tayo ni Dad. Oh. Please.
Ay, baka baliktad.
Ay, may bayad.
Yeah,
Hanggang 10 tayo, di ba? Yeah, it's 8 to 10. Head back?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Suck the legs, man. Go! Sige na, lapit na. Ayan. Yo, tubig. Kaya pala nagtatanong sila, gusto nyo tubig?
It's so cool.
What? Okay.
I already did it. It's so awesome.
Woo! You did it! Was it scary?
No.
Did you go fast down?
Yeah.
Hi. Hello.
Yeah. You found this one maybe?
What is this?
This is the climate you do drop upside down.
Upside down?
Yes.
How do you drop upside down?
You do stand up like this and then dropping.
Oh my, and you do a loop?
Yes, looping.
No.
No, I'm good, man.
It loops like that? No way.
Like this one.
Is there? No, there's no loop.
Okay.
Oh, there is a loop. Where? Josh, look, there's a loop. Oh yeah, there is a loop. They hid the loop. Come on, you can do it. Set up. Okay, I won't fall or anything. Well, I'm gonna fall anyway, so just brush your feet, brush your arm. Make it tight. Brush your feet. Okay. Brush your legs too. Brush the legs too? Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Bye to the camera, man. Bye. See you at the flip side. Oh wow, it closes. I love you. Okay, there we go. Here we go, Chris. Here we go. Whoa! Wow! There he is. He made it! Oh, come on, Josh!
Wait, man. I'm sticking it out.
Wait. Oh! Oh my gosh! Bye!
Oh my gosh!
You can do it! Any last words?
There's a nearby hospital, right?
Any I love yous? Come on, you're only 19, you can do it. Breathe. Breathe. Bye. Whoa! Can hear him from here. He made it, he's alive. Your bum up! Get your bum up! Oh my god! This is fun, man! Bye guys! Oh my god! What the heck? Oh my Wow!
I don't know, like we stopped and then so I used my arms to.
Oh my god!
What was coming?
Waiting for what to spill on you? There's no bucket.
There's a bucket.
Oh my god, there's a bucket!
Haha, I stole you guys. Yeah. We're so far behind. Go faster! Where are they anyways? Oh my god, we're lost. The GoPro 7%. We're separated from everyone else. Come on, go! It's probably gonna die soon. Oh, there! I see the Lucas!
Yeah, you can go.
Yeah, Python.
3.
1, 2, 3. Me, you, and Franco?
Yeah.
Okay. Lucas, don't tell mommy you rode the slides, okay? Oh man, this is high, Lucas. Yeah, you're brave.
I'm brave. You go. You go. You go. See ya.
Sabine, bye. Lucas, ready? Lucas! I can't see anything! Yo,
Would you rather live with Tita Josh or live by yourself? Live by Tita Josh!
Live by yourselves.
Would you rather go on vacation with Wawa or go on vacation with Wowo? Choose wisely.